we shall be looking at how to use the anaconda prompt to load Jupyter Notebook and then proceed to import some libraries into our environment. Pardon my use of environment. I just mean where we are running our code. So I'm going to install Anaconda. I'll go to my search bar and type Anaconda. I don't have to finish typing Anaconda prompt to give me the Anaconda prompt, then I'll open. May I say it is not necessary to run it as an administrator. When it opens, the next thing I'll do is I'll type in my Jupyter notebook. I will be using Jupyter Lab here to share the use of that notebook. It's very simple and easy to navigate. So I'll click enter. I'll give it some time to load. I expect it to open my browser for me, give me a way to get to my directories, and then make it possible for me to open the Python till IDLE. By IDLE, I'll be talking about the integrated development environment. The critical thing about Anaconda is that we can run our code cell by cell using that Jupyter notebook. And we can also create a markdown book from there so that we can communicate our findings. So my default browser has been launched, which is called to the server 8888 is already working. So you can see I have my Jupyter notebook loaded. If you look at the screen, you will see Jupyter. You will see Jupyter. You see me highlight it at the top here. The first thing you will see is files. Then I have learning. I have another box for clusters, and then conda. Using that conda, I can access the terminal. But I'm not interested in that. To your right, you will see quit and log out. If you want to quit the kernel, you just click that one, or you want to log out of the session. Underneath the quit, we have upload. If you want to upload any document, that one is an easy way to do it. But I'm interested in new. When I click the new drop down, it will give me options to choose, and that's what I'll do now. So I'm taking a snapshot of that. So I'm clicking new and see I have Python, I have an environment Rango that I've done before. I have other things that could create test file, a folder, or a terminal. And it's very in Python, so I'll click on Python. If you load a Python notebook for me, I'm waiting for that. It's a very fast process. So Python is a high-level language. Because of the libraries, it could operate at the level of C or C++. Now, take a look at something on this. In this notebook, I have my files, I have the edit view, I have the view, I have the insert, I have the cell, which controls the cell where I will type in my code. The kernel is working, I have widgets. You see to your right, you see the Python logo, you see the Python tree, and a circle. If I'm loading anything, the circle will be filled, and if it is not working, the idea is I do, then the circle will be unfilled. If I want to choose, I'll go to the code cell. I can choose it to be a code or a markdown. Markdown is just like HTML. HTML is markup. This one is markdown, and I can have my about MVC convert or the heading to choose. So I'll put it in the code, so I'll leave it at code. Then I can click the save and checkpoint to save. It's always good to save because Jupyter will not automatically save for you. I can add this to insert cell book above. I can click the scissors sign to cut cells. I can click this copy to copy and select, and I can move ahead and paste cells below. So all these symbols, don't worry about them. We'll still go into the tutorial on shortcuts to use. Then around, it's not what I'm interested with. But I rarely use this one because it's not so easy to use. Moving your cursor from the code cell to the run will be a bit difficult. So what I do is to press Shift Enter if I want the code to run and then create a new cell for me. But if I want the code to run only without creating a new cell, I'll just click Control Enter. So I'll make an example. Assume that I want to get the result of 5 and 5. Then I have 5 plus 5. If I want to run this 5 plus 5 and create a new cell, I'll click Shift Enter. And I have my answer is 10 and a new cell is created. Now, take a look at the whole cell. It has a number 1, telling us this is the first running, and then I have an output. This is also numbered 1, which telling us this is the first output of the first running. The number in the cell should be equal to the number in the output. It's running sequentially. But if I want to do that 5 plus 5 without creating a new cell, I can still do that. Let me just copy, Control C, I highlight Control C, and I move to the next cell and put Control V. Then I can click Control Enter. It gives me output is the second output of the second running, but no new cell was created. Thank you. And I think this has been able to explain how we can run simple codes using Jupyter Notebook. So if I want to close this, I can just go to my taskbar and click my anaconda prompt and we interrupt the kernel. I have two options. I can do Ctrl C twice or Ctrl C once, then wait to be prompted to type yes, Y in place for yes. Or I can just quickly do Ctrl C twice. That's what I'll be doing. Ctrl C first and Ctrl C. So back at the base, then I can type exit. Exit the prompt. You can see it has exited the kernel, then I can close the notebook and shut down my browser. If I still want to use this, better I just shut down the browser so that I can quickly load down or rather close the notebook. If I decide to close the notebook, it wants me to say whether I want to leave the page or not. I decided to leave the page.